Alright, so I figured I'd show how to put one of these edge caps on your countertop, particularly for Home Depot, Menards, or Lowe's. They're all pretty much the same. And people get these wrong a lot, but I mean, I guess the product ain't very good either. But the way you do it is with an iron. You don't glue it. You can glue it, but you have to use the glue. It's a certain type of glue. It's I forgot the name of the glue, or it's got like a number on that glue that you could use. You could put that glue on there. You could let the glue sit overnight and then come back and stick this on there, and it's not gonna go it's never gonna come off. It's not gonna fall off. It's what they use for this Formica. They use that. So whatever glue they're using for this, the heat activated isn't very good. Kind of sucks. But if you read the instructions, you're supposed to use an iron. I don't carry an iron around with me, but the tenant that was here kind of left this iron, so I just tried to use it. Figured I'd try to use it the right way, see what happens. I usually use a torch, heat it up, get the glue activated, and stick it on there. But with the torch, you can heat up the Formica too much, and you can leave a burn mark or whatever. But as you can see, also this had to be, they always usually got to be trimmed, especially at the back, maybe a little bit at the front. If you had a router, you could do it. You could just stick it in the spot and take a router and trim it all the way around. But I like to trim the back and the front, so I'm not having to do that. I do have a router, but I'm not going to get that out for this. But as you can see, it's sticking here. It's off a little bit. Right here, it's not wanting to stick. But I think it's because I got it so hot, I would have to let it cool down a little bit. Kind of hold it in place. So pretty much all you're doing is just heating it up and letting it stick. They do have a piece of wood that goes underneath, but I'm not using the wood. Don't really have to. I mean, it would get a better bite onto the particle board, but so as soon as I let go, it's probably going to come off. Yeah, it's going to come off. I'm going to take something to hold it there. As it cools down, it should glue. As this cools down, that should glue. Yeah, you can see a little bit. It's not sitting in the right spot, but it's better than nothing being there. So that's pretty much good. I could probably tape that there and let that sit there, but I'm gonna fast forward. And if it doesn't work, I'm gonna use the torch, but I'm gonna fast forward it. Okay, so all of them are on. They're all good. I did have to finesse them a little bit with and I did have to use the torch. This one kept not wanting to stick right there, but it's good. It's not gonna come off. A little bit there was kind of trying to come off, and then this one, I think this one was good the whole way. But I do gotta trim them a little bit. I'm gonna take a razor blade and trim these a little bit. And then this one didn't fit as good, but still good. When using a torch for these, I kind of just keep that flame away from it. Because if you notice, it's pretty hot when it's even that far away. So keep it away, kind of bring it close to it, and put some heat onto it, and it'll work that way too. So actually worked better in some cases, and the iron worked better in some cases as I was messing with it. So.